Hello everyone, welcome to my Unreal Engine tutorial series on how to create an open world game. So this time I am going to show you how to add a blood trail like this, as you can see in this demonstration. So when I attack these enemies, a clear blood trail is visible after my sword swing. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so before working on the blood trails, I have to fix some small thing. So if I try to attack when there are no nearby enemies, I can still attack, but I will get these errors. So access none trying to read the property closest enemy. So that happens here. So that happens because when there are no other closest enemies, I am still trying to do these calculations accessing this variable closest enemy. So I should do this same thing right here as well. So it would be gone. And also I implemented this sword trail activation part couple of episodes ago. I did a separate video on that too, and I'll enable that here as well. As the duration, I'll put 0.1. Okay, right, now let's go. So sword trail is active. I have changed its transparency, lowered it somewhat as in the more than what we used to have. Okay, and this time we don't get any errors. Alright, so let's get back to the original topic, blood trails. So for the blood trails, I have already created a particle effect. I'll show it here. This is the particle effect. Yeah, this is the particle effect. Okay, so this is what I am going to use to create blood trail. Right, so this is the way I am going to do it. I have this blade right here, and I'll attach that blood particle into my blade like this, and I'll attach it to the, not like that, tip of the sword, tip or this hit location right here. Okay, and I shouldn't make it auto activate. This should be activated only if I hit an enemy. So I'll go back to this check hit part, and here I spawn a blood emitter which will be spawned only at the hit location, and After this one, I'll activate this blood trail like this. Okay, let's check. First I should go to right. Yeah, as you can see the blood trail clearly around as I swing the sword. Okay, so let's try increasing the spawn rate of this blood trail to make it a little more appealing. Right. Now we have a much thicker. Yeah, we definitely have a much thick blood trail. Let's attack this guy as well. Okay, so right, so that's all for today, and in the next episode I hope to implement the blood splatters on the ground. As you can see, when I attack and the blood is fallen out after the attacking, so there should be blood splatters on the ground. So that's what I am going to do in the next video. Alright, this episode is sponsored by these Patreons, and if you want to support my channel or anything, please feel free to check my Patreon as well. I will put the link in the description. Alright, see you in the next episode. Goodbye.